Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this cool website that will allow you to create your own AI video using synthetic actors. And to give you a preview of what you're going to see, let me introduce you to Jennifer.
Hey everyone. Before we get to the video, I would love it if you could subscribe to this YouTube channel. Each week Rich will upload new videos on a variety of different topics, including AI. So thank you for your consideration, and now let's learn about Colossyan Creator.
Thank you, Jennifer. So the website is called Colossyan.com. It is free to get started, although there is also a premium option. When you go to the site, to get started, you can just click the blue button, and yes, this actor will stare at you until you do something. Okay, so now that we are in the creator, the first step for us to do is to take our script and to paste it inside this box. So I'm going to paste the script inside the box, and at the bottom, I can change things like the language and the speaking style. Next, I'm going to go to the Actor tab, and this is where I can select which synthetic actor I want to use. Now, because this is the free option, it only gives you a few different choices. So if you're looking for more actors like these ones that have that gray button in the corner, then you may want to explore some of the premium options, which I'll talk about in a second. But for this one, I'm going to stay with Jennifer. Now, some other options on here is you can move your actor anywhere on the screen. You can also enlarge, or you can make your actor smaller on your screen. The other thing you can do is to add a background. Now for this one, I'm going to bring this into a different editing program, so I'm going to use this green screen. But if you don't want to do that and you want to actually create your entire video in Colossyan Creator, you can do that. One thing you'll notice is that you have different slides or different scenes that you can add at the top, kind of like this. They give you templates on the page if you would like. The other thing that you can do is add a different background. So I'm going to take this background. I'm going to add that onto my slide. Let me set this in the background. There we go. And now when I preview my video, my actor will talk and the video behind it will play, which is kind of cool. Some other things which I haven't played around with yet, you'll notice that you can add shapes on your screen. You can have a music bed underneath your actor talking, and you can add text and transitions. Now these are all things that I'm going to do in the editing program that I have, so I'm just going to leave this the way it is. I'm going to set my background to green, and I'm just going to get rid of this background. Okay, this is how I want my video to look. So the last thing I'll have to do is to go to the top and preview this video.
Hey everyone. Before we get to the video, I would love it.
Now you probably noticed that the actor's lips didn't move, and that's because in a preview, you can see at the top of this window, that lips, body movements, gestures, and any transitions you put in will not be visible in the previewed video. The other thing that you'll notice is that at the top right hand side of the free plan, it will leave the Colossyan Creator logo. Just be aware of that. So if your video looks and sounds the way that you want to, go ahead and click this red button to generate the video. If you go to your dashboard, you can see the video that you just generated. This one looks like it's processing, and it does give you an idea of the current status. Once it's done processing, you can check out any of your finished videos.
Hey everyone. Before we get to the video, I would love it if you could subscribe to this.
A few different ways that you can share. You'll notice the social networks around here. You can also generate a link that you can send to someone to view it.
Hey everyone.
It kind of looks like this.
Before we get to the video, I would love it.
Or you can do what I'm going to do and download the MP4 of this video. Okay, there it is. My video has downloaded.
Hey everyone. Before we get to the video,
and it looks and it sounds great. Earlier in the video, I talked a little bit about some of the plans. Here are the 3 different options that are available, starting with the free plan. You'll notice it does include a lot. It will limit the number of actors that you can use, as well as the number of scenes. Another big thing is it does restrict the number of minutes that you can export each month. The free version gives you 5 minutes per month. Now, if you go to the basic or the pro plan, you have a lot of different options, more minutes that you can export, more actors, lots of different features. Now, one thing to pay attention to is that this is the option for the yearly plan. You can see $21 a month, $70 a month, but if you have to use this for just one project, you can switch to just monthly access. The rates do change, but maybe just monthly access is something that you may need this program for. So the website is called Colossyan Creator. You can get started at Colossyan.com. This is a great website if you're just looking to get started with creating AI video and using synthetic actors.